Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. In today's video, I will be making some savory meatballs and gravy. This is a comfort meal that my family enjoys, and I know yours will too. So if you want to see how I make them, then keep watching. If you love bold flavors and unforgettable meals, then it's time to spice things up with The Spice House. The Spice House is the leading premium spice brand online, offering you the highest quality spices, seasonings, herbs, and extracts from around the globe. From hand-selected cinnamon to freshly ground peppercorns and globally sourced blends, every jar is packed with pure premium flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out in the kitchen, The Spice House brings quality and taste right to your door. To save money on your purchase, use my code, the Urban Homemaker Mama, to save today. The link in the code will be in the description box as well. Now back to the video. Okay guys, so we're going to start out here with 3 pounds of ground beef, and I'm going to add to this ground beef some fresh chopped parsley, some breadcrumbs, some yellow onion, garlic, 3 eggs, Worcestershire sauce, some Italian seasoning, black pepper, the Spice House shallot and herb seasoning, the Spice House back of the yard seasoning, some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and grated Parmesan cheese. So everything that I'm adding into this meat mixture to make my meatballs, I will definitely list down below in the description box. So please be sure to check that out. So once I have all these ingredients added into the bowl with my ground beef, I'm going to just mix together until everything is combined thoroughly, and then I'm going to use an ice cream scoop to scoop out the meatballs. I'm going to scoop it out and then shape with my hands and then put them on a cookie sheet to get ready to put in the oven. Okay, so these are all the meatballs assembled, and I'm going to now put them in the oven at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're going to flip them and then cook another 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. So while they're cooking, I'm going to go ahead and make my gravy. I start off with some butter, and then I'm going to add flour and let that flour and butter mixture cook until the flour taste is out. And then I'm going to add some beef broth. I don't have exact measurements for this because I like to eyeball to see what gravy to protein ratio that I like and that I think is good enough. So I do not have measurements. You just kind of got to gauge how much you need for your meal. And so you'll see here, I'm just whisking the flour into the butter. And then once all that's cooked down, I'm going to add my beef broth. And then once that's, added, and then I'm able to dissolve the flour butter mixture into it, I'm going to then season my gravy. And then once that's seasoned, I'm going to let that cook for a little bit and then add the meatballs that are out of the oven and let that cook and simmer the rest of the way. And then you have your meatballs and gravy. Very simple to do. I paired it today with mashed potatoes and green beans and a dinner roll. So you will see that plating at the end. But again, I will leave everything in the description that I use to put inside the meat mixture for my meatballs. And then I will also leave the links to the Spice House seasonings if you guys want to check that out as well. They are very good, a good staple to have in your kitchen. But yeah, guys, this is it for this video. And don't forget, if you will be so kind to leave your girl a like and drop in the comments below. Let me know where you are watching from, and also let me know if you remember this nostalgic meal of meatballs and gravy. How did you enjoy it? How did your mom cook it? How did your dad cook it? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. I will talk to you guys in my next video, but until then, you guys be blessed. Bye.